looking pretty hot there. Yeah. Am I dead? Oh yeah! Stop. What? What up? I'm back, I guess. Been on holidays, you know, traveling around with the homies. But some people wanted a video, so who am I to object? You know what I'm saying? This is like some stupid Shrek horror game. Shrek is love, Shrek is love. What a reference. But this time, I've set up like a little soundboard kind of thing with some sounds some people volunteered. And actually, if you want to add to this, I've got a Dropbox down below, so you can add whatever cooked weird ass sound you want. Anyway, whatever. Let's do it. Who the? Why does he look like that? Ah! Jump scare 1. Let's give a jump scare count. Alright. This is nice. What is happening? Alright. Sprint bar classic. I've not seen that donkey. Onion.
Like onions. Yes. No.
What the hell is that?
No. Oh,
Ah!
brown starts sprouting little white hairs. No.
What did it say?
Onions
Have layers. I'm so overstimulated right now. Punishment barrel. Why do I even want 8 onions? What do I even do? What do I do with 8 onions? Pretty fast, you know? No! Oh, donkey! Good grief. Donkey. Wow, you're looking pretty hot there. Yep, valid reaction to my joke. Alright. Crib. Onion! Oh.
We can stay up late, swapping manly stories in the morning.
Hello there.
Ow! Oh my. No jump button, classic. Ooh, the parkour. I bet Shrek can't get up here. Hope not. Maybe he can. Onion!
Ogres? They're much worse. They'll
Look out of here.
make a soup from your freshly peeled skin. They'll
Did he say that?
shave your liver,
Ooh.
squeeze the jelly from your eyes. Actually, it's quite good on food.
Ow! What is that? Oh my, what am I playing? What is this? Stupid Shrek game.
Homer let the birds out.
Homer let the birds out.
Well, that's one of those weird things. Key. It's a huge map. You think you want me to run around this whole massive swamp? Someone must be watching. Okay. Bang!
I've said before that good things nor bad things last forever.
Oh! I should delete that. Shrek's house. Is that me? What? Shreky poo. Oh, Shrek. Oh!
My life be like
21.
Hey, bro, you got a phone call.
Yeah! How do I stop it? Fine.
Remember,
How long is it? Oh, it's so loud in my ears. It's so loud. Oh!
Your phone ringing.
Oh,
Your
onion!
phone ringing. Big boy, come pick up your phone. How you know pick up your phone? Your
Asian
phone
Shrek.
ringing.
Oh, I'm back here. Sorry, donkey. I couldn't save you. My Shrek accent. Ah, why? Why is it always when I'm around donkey? I love a bit of charred donkey. Is there any camp? Oh, onion! 2 more to go. I'm actually on fire. Come on, man. That's too easy. Just a really modern, perfectly conditioned trailer. Bang!
what are you doing?
One more to go. Yeah, shut up, Shrek. So hot. Shrek! It's love. You know what that sounds like? It sounds like that chicken
oh my god,
thing.
bro.
Oh, hell no.
Okay, that was a joke, my bad.
My life be like
21.
Hey, bro, you
hate
got a
this
phone
one.
call.
Shrek, take me, man. Take me.
Remember,
Surely. This is definitely it. Creepy church. Oh yeah! Onion must. Oh my goodness. Level 2.
My mommy said no more skibidi toilets, so I left a poo-poo in her chocolate cake. This is Ohio, home of the Gritty and Rizzlers. I'm having skibidi toilet withdrawals. I'm going insane if I don't watch episode 99. I will annihilate mankind with an hydrogen bomb. Fortnite
Level
legendary
2, let's
book.
do it.
Fortnite legendary scar boogie bomb. Busting like Gaia's anime.
Shut up!
transformation. I curled a pillow for 55 reps, and now I'm exhausted waiter. Can you please get me one chug jug and
Shut
one
up!
steak? Aiden Ross, I'm your number
Why
one
so
fan. I want to be a Rizzler like you when I grow up. Can you please make me your prodigy to understand the quantum mechanics of Riz?
Oh my goodness. That almost ended me. Okay, we escaped, right? So I'm holding 8 onions now. Bang. Then how is that here? Oh.
ogres are like onions. Snake? Yes.
Another 8?
No. Oh, you better not.
What is down there? I want to go down there.
Start sprouting little white heads. No.
Bang, I did. Exactly, Shrek is sleeping. Nothing on me.
Swapping manly stories in the morning. I'll make it waffles.
Waffles. Bang! I still can't believe that Shrek has said that in a children's movie. That's actually
it's
awful.
quite good on toast.
I'm so gone. How do I get up there? What? Yes. Dumbass! Fat ass Shrek, you can't get up here. Yeah, and what? Oh my goodness. How come he can get up so easily? Yoink!
Now, I've said before that good things nor bad things last forever.
What does that even mean? Spidey sense, help me. Classic. Ah! Can I? Ah! See ya! Fat ass Shrek. Ooh! I knew you were there. Larry.
Homer let the bards out. Homer let the
Dude, this is
bards
peaceful
out,
as.
out.
He said he had
Please
control.
stop. Oh, okay, good. If I could sit here, enjoy the view. There's gotta be one in here. Bang! Oh, Shrek! I don't know where to go. What?! What? No, no, no! Oh, bang! Please don't go through the water.
Do you suffer from a lack of a
What?
father figure?
No!
Do you have clinical depression?
No!
Have you ever accidentally broken your mom's favorite coffee cup, and when she found out you did it, she tied you to a bed and spanked you with a metal spatula? If you said yes to any of these things, I don't care.
Run.
Yeah, exactly! I need that music for longer. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Can I get him in there? Okay. Play the century, play the century, play the century. Oh, it's my own head. Oh. Okay, okay. Meta. He's not good at going up and down stuff. That's how we win. I think. My goodness. The saxophone's to kiss Shrek. I can't take it. Here he is. Come here. No. The same cabin every time. I'm gonna juke him. Dumbass! Oh, so unbelievably loud. Yeah, have this. Am I dead? Oh yeah! Dumb. What? What?
Yeah, I think about it every time I hit the hookah. Kaboom.
Rip the metal does not work. Oh! What? Yeah, I spin on something up here. Eat! Run!
Homer let the bar
Stop!
down.
Homer let the bards out.
He
What is
opened up the
that?
door.
My hat.
They started
What?
running.
I'm
They
dead.
started running.
I'm dead.
Homer let the bards out, out.
He said he had control.
Dumbass. Yes.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Where's the last one? Oh my goodness. What? My goodness. It's gonna be around. So much is happening! It's gonna be around here. Is that a lion? Oh my goodness! Yes! Badass Shrek. Ooh. Ooh. He's like, oh! I was gonna say, bro. I was like, I swear he could swim. Oh my days. Alright, well, there you have it. Get clapped, Shrek. Not literally, 'cause that's sus. Alright. Add your sounds to the Dropbox. Make another video later. See you guys later.